Hi everyone, welcome back to Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Thank you so much. Marzaland and myself and our children, of course, who are behind the scenes. We are in Middle New Hope in Trelawney, and we are just looking at some of the areas and see how things are in terms of how Hurricane Melissa did the place. And this is the route also to Nevie. So we're going to check on Nevie as well.
We wake up in a Paris Wednesday morning. Brand new, look when we wake up.
Yeah.
Brand new, not you?
Mash up everybody.
Oh God.
Me
you say you run like a thief in the night.
Our boss said so me have to, but me I go back in tonight. You know, but
yeah.
I go back in tonight.
Wait, over there, sir?
No, over Leon with it. And so many there. Over there's all part of the gun, man.
This new house here?
Huh?
This new one?
Yeah. Over there in the early part, and we have to run all over there with up. A disaster.
All the power lines down.
Starting to kick.
And out, listen, there's a big gate. Big gate.
Yeah.
The breeze take off and put it down in the road. And you witness the breeze take up the back and lean up the back by the gate, you know?
Yeah, I tell you.
I same thing you do to one with black tank.
Yeah, when you look, we see it down the road.
In no time we see it back up in
right where it was. I saw somebody earlier too who had a container on the side, and then it put the container over the other side.
And when we do over there, so one at the time when we look at 2 sheets of zinc, we see a roll of go up the road.
Yeah.
And a sheet of zinc come off from the house. Yeah, man.
This can't do nothing again.
Can't do nothing again.
Done for.
Good when we can get to rebuild.
Yeah, you know, man.
Yeah.
All right, take it easy.
All right.
A tough for that there. What go on them? You never know you can do them type of work here.
Pass through.
Ah, gee, I feel learn, right? All right. Yes.
Happy nice. When I give it, we have to free, that's you. All right. So this them I think just put on, you know? And then rip off back.
Yeah.
God.
Look over there, Saturn.
And the whole church up and up.
And initially we were saying Nevie could have shelter over there. Him couldn't shelter over there.
You not hide for nobody. Me there. How things? Yeah.
You better give thanks.
Life there.
I'm the power stuff. I fix me tell me I walk out.
Oh God. Right?
I'm not going to house.
You get a better rest when you walk. Yeah. Oh Lord.
All
right.
That's Rick.
Yeah, man. Sure.
Rick that? Or Rick brother? Oh.
Yes, sir. All right.
I'm learning from your dad. Know everybody.
But
you know the yard gate? Where your mattress there, yard gate?
Hey.
You know, I thought it was a road.
A landslide. See there?
Oh. So we I don't know that. What's the one car?
I tap New Hope, you know?
I tap New Hope. Whoa, we see tap New Hope from down Middle New Hope. But there's a house on top of the hill and then the landslide there. At the front.
Or a lodge, one of them places. Well, we are going to check for Nevie.
Oh Lord. Walk over there.
You tell him mattress there. You there?
Oh, that's why I say you will see mattress.
But you might go up on the road in a left outside. Oh God, everything is a blood down.
Stone. Light post in the road. Wow. Oh Lord. Ah.
My house up the side roof, gone. Everywhere you go, you hear knocking. But the house over there, so blood down flat.
First time I couldn't even see that it's there. The sun come out up in Manchester. Out there.
Yeah.
Up a pike, which part the ball is, a round ball.
So me can see the ball. Yeah. Zoom too fast. Everywhere you go.
And this is the mango tree where we always stop and get shade.
Yeah. Think. Remember say, I miss cook farm this day, you say, no?
Yeah.
The road block. Whew. So even if the vehicle could have come up here, say it wouldn't pass. We go around a mass Nevie. Perry, come here. Come out here, sir. Come out here, sir. Come to the front of the class. Come to the front of the class. You come. Are you did tell me say now come up here, sir? Come. Come. Yeah? Yeah,
Hello. All right. We are passed through. Come.
Yeah?
You see?
Oh God. Oh, they don't go up on the ground, they just lean down like that, most of them.
Yeah.
Oh.
Go and trim it, because you can't see me, I left you.
Oh God. Jesus. So that, but show them I wanna never even start, do nothing yet.
Maybe get some more then. Wait till the mail
Yes.
Pass with the handle.
The send off it.
Send off it by me.
Yeah.
Morning, Wagwan.
I'll go on, Miss Game.
Boy.
Pick up enough though.
Yeah, man, I say, man, we don't say no.
So you cook?
You're not let son cook, not true.
Everything you have.
Yeah?
Narrow.
So all of these dead now.
No, this one alright.
Okay.
This by April next year.
Okay, good.
You can't tell me
Yes.
something up there so we are look away.
Lalo.
Up at top new up?
Up at new.
Oh.
Over my papa.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Sikara day panino.
Yeah. Yes, I see it. Yeah.
What? It's on 60 and first minute what is in my life, man.
First. A worst disaster.
When Gilbert blew my man, big man, and we never get this.
Yeah.
But one thing, couple more months.
Rope. Wagwan. You know no breadfruit pantry.
Oh, I'm Mr. Yam, no?
Yeah, Mr. Yam. You can't buy it. Yeah. Yeah.
And everybody but in that, if me give me a grand no man, the man are ready to you and next year again.
Yeah.
So me have to go.
That's true. Make it stay there.
Yeah. And like they are going to.
I go check my Papa Nevie.
Yeah.
All right. We soon forward.
All right.
Rope, you thirsty?
Miller later.
Me too thirsty. Master, everybody's ink gone. Everybody's ink gone.
Oh man, that house over there so gone to the top.
Some people not even get a chance to start. So you start put on back your own them?
Oh, can't put on for me, can't do that boom. You have weapon?
Oh, you find them back?
Fine. Fine, daughter. I have to go there to pull the water.
How can I something there?
What?
Something
Then I know when I have bird something.
Bird?
No, they call it.
Oh, okay.
They're good.
you know say they're not good, not treat them beer pan.
What does nobody eat?
I show no say can't eat.
Daughter.
You better now wait up now.
I said to me, I have to catch out. Sit down till the light out. Then they full of water in my room, they full of water.
Yeah.
And I make some wipe out here and it up my foot on.
Yeah, because it can't wait up back if it rain.
And I boom, one I cheered, man.
So everybody are wait for him.
Everybody.
My, hi, how you do?
My bad.
But you want to this laugh?
I know what's doing. See all sorts of flat.
We so forward rope. All the breadfruit tree tear up rope. Oh Jesus.
Marcel,
Huh?
you know see my Nevie house flat there, so.
Oh God.
See Nevie house flat. Because me keep looking, I wonder which part it would have there.
Where I got there?
There's a house to the back there, so to that house top gone. Over this side. That one there. Man, it's like everywhere is leveled. You can stay at one point and just do a 360 and see everywhere. Seem like it's soaring too, you know.
No, we don't want to stop over
Want to catch you, see? Not at all. I wonder which part my Nevie they know.
I was saying there on the roadside.
Which roadside?
Somebody saying there roadside also. Maybe it's out order so.
Tell you, guys, it's terrible. All over this side was farm. This is farmland. So
Marvin saying ground dead over here.
that's the one that we went over there.
Look at that. Thing flat.
Bad.
All the apple tree.
Yep. Apple tree gone. Guys, many persons have been reaching out trying to find out what happened to Mas Nevie, so here we are. Mas Nevie house is completely destroyed. The house is no more, and now the task is to find him. We heard initially that he went to a neighbor, so let us see if we can locate him there. Wow. So guys, Mas Nevie's dwelling has completely been destroyed. So we're going to look around his neighbor's house to see if we can locate him.
So that's the kitchen down there, sir.
The kitchen, not even remember about the kitchen.
So down there we got to get the zinc.
That, no boy.
Alright. May I look for Mas Nevie? Oh, that's all? Alright, thanks.
Hi. See Mas Nevie there?
What, sir? What going? No? Why you didn't talk to me? You're not dead, man.
Fine, Mas Nevie, guys.
Yeah?
I do everything gone.
Let me see it, man.
Everything. See there? If I could tell you the truth. But I can't.
So I go to just have kid in a weather.
Down here, some Mas Nevie.
Sister just a call on you, see. Just a call on you, see. I tell him, I say, boy, we know see we come.
Yeah, or you just call me name and you know always call me name, you don't remember it.
No?
I know my name I call her Marcy.
But Marcy,
Oh, you know.
to the party. Everything done.
Yeah, take time and come.
All of clothes, me no man who clothes. Yeah, you want to go and buy God, me have to give God praise.
Yes.
Everything gone with my breast, like blue.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
We have to give him thanks.
So you back around so? You back around so?
Are you where I look for?
Yes, we know for yesterday. My guy tell me, say, you will come and
Will he tell you?
no, till me, no, say, till the price time. Bonnie.
Oh, yeah.
Bonnie called me yesterday and tell me, so when I come. And me look out. But me say, how we road black?
Yeah.
How we go come?
Yeah, because it was on tree, you know.
Some part.
Jesus God. This was on judgment, man. Yes, everybody know.
Yes.
Everything.
Yeah.
They may tell you say it's party. Me na the house me want come out, you know. And me I say I dear. But tell me realize about night. You know, say about my guy over so. One brother over so see house blow down. The one we probably go pick bed food there.
Yeah.
Oh, rope.
And I house and see house blow down and say Jesus my friend for house but my friend for me too. And then he come call me, you know. And say people live in the run call so come call brother green say come take me out. We say see house tumble and say Lord.
So the house tumble with you in there?
Yes. Yes, man. I tell me I have to go and I tumble with me in the man.
Yeah.
Yes. And that scrap, it tumble with me, everything what you see there.
Yeah.
It means they said way. And when it tumble on, and he said tumble on, he come call find say, me no dead, he say, well, then boy, he call brother green.
Yes.
So me still glad for me couldn't go on neither for.
Yes.
That time I say, I be man in a come, you know. That time I be out. But then little later now.
Never dark up yet.
Yes, it did dark up. I say me can't come out. The whole time dark, you know, me no know for day or night.
Yes.
So me I say, me now come out for breeze good to blow me way.
And you can go see which part you go either.
For me, I know good and tree a blow and see about me say God. Me have to do there so then. For me know how it stand blood tan. For you can come out of your house and see me blow you down.
Yes.
And kill you. Zinc can lick you down and kill you. For all my tell us to me say in half some black in a free house and it black the wheel when you check it out that wheel in a bush all look black heavy. And it blew away black.
Yeah man, it was heavy.
And in fridge in a house. You take out the fridge out of your house. Blow out the door.
Yeah.
Yes.
Heavy man. It's terrible. It's a good thing, rope. This night to come and come check for you and something to get you out.
Me I tell you, say boy, that the man do a good blessing man. Blessing.
Yeah.
For instance, when you see house go on, you know. But when I say Lord, my friend for your house. But them say my friend by me. And everybody up to my guy they come up and say, boy, I'm not afraid for me too. What part of my friend say what happened to me?
Yeah.
Yes, man. Yes, I know good. So, I know what will happen, sir. I don't know what will take place.
So if you are going to rebuild, you could have built back there, so?
Yes, you don't have to rebuild. You know what happened? I was you know, see the cat.
Yeah, what a big mess.
Maybe a good thing you was blood up.
Me say I hit me glad.
Yes.
Me glad. When me see the house, when me see the ducks, and me say Jesus, God, up to people that talk say, they not the ducks. This man.
You didn't even know further now the ducks.
Lord God.
Because that duck's nest, you know, it was over the ceiling.
Yeah, you don't see it.
That's why you always have the duck's to carry your arm.
Yes,
You spray them over the same way.
You can't get them out. God.
Man, that's the one huge duck's nest that there.
Everybody a pass and say, what? That the duck's nest when I was a brother.
Company that.
Jesus. Jesus. So, me no feel no way.
Yes.
Me no feel no way. So,
once there's life, there's hope, man.
Yes, oh God,
yeah,
man.
we can always rebuild.
Yes, man. I say, God, man, I say that's a while ago we say, boy, me know say now come for me know say well then boy it turn rough and me since this time just start and but me know so now come.
Yes.
In me.
Yeah.
In me so now come. Come like it come like somebody tell me.
Yeah.
We come
and the same thing we discussed Master Nevie because we were saying because you said if it look bad we go down and miss petal but you could get to go down and miss petal.
Let me go down. The whole place been black, you see the whole road, you know.
Yes.
Black, you know. Nobody couldn't pass, you know.
You
couldn't go down there.
God never go down. But there's a light post in the road and the wires hanging on the tree. Look like them just cut the tree so you can have a little footpath.
Yes, pass. Oh God, so.
We're glad you're alright, yes, man. To God be the glory.
Man, oh God, God is good, Mrs.
Because our heads were hurting us, we say, Lord, I'm to Master Nevie. We were wondering if we forgot to miss petal before.
No, me never get to go down there. I better agree and tell me say.
Master Nevie, you never did want to go down.
You never did want to go.
Up to better agree and tell me say, the tap is a good tap.
Which top?
That's top of the house.
Top of your problem, you know?
Is the structure?
It's structure.
Yeah, no, it's old.
Yes, so you see, you know, so you cat all boat. Cat all boat.
All the kitchen the way down a gully.
Yeah. I mean, find out to where I go me tell the church me have rice and
Hey, how you do? Yes.
and all of them. You don't see none of them.
They gone.
Don't see none. Don't see nothing.
Because, yeah, when they just bring grocery for you.
Everything blew away.
Yes, everything gone. Everything blew for. I mean, I say that I have no crackers, so I see bread again no come in it. And I have crackers and I could eat two biscuits as well. No, he no come in it. No come for sometimes.
What's up in there?
I don't know about man can look up for farm man.
Yeah, maybe I check out in farm and there's something that the animals.
I will tell me say he have most contact when in a hills in the matter how you manage.
Jesus.
Man can't go eat.
Maybe soon come.
Go with him.
Me can't go with him. Me go.
Master Nevie, the gas did come.
Yes, man. He said tell the gas go.
You never even get to cook one day.
He shouldn't come. He shouldn't come, you know.
And me tell you, then hear what happen. The gas come. And me put out the peas the same time. And cook the peas. And it was that the peas, you know, and say, boy, we're going to left me for your morning. And never get to go back in there.
That's the way there. Where's the cylinder there?
Me have it over some more.
Oh, okay.
No left it there.
Yeah.
You can't tell.
Who bring it come for you?
Petal. But you call him Andy?
Mankind?
Yes.
Okay,
yes,
because when we call, because of how the wind was heavy and the rain and everything, we never sure if they could have made the delivery.
Mankind, I'm afraid, you know?
So God bless him richly.
Yes, man.
When you look outside,
when
they
Mr.
say,
Mankind
boy.
come, Mr. Mankind, I'm timid for a man, say, oh God. I'm a good friend, I'm good with people, you know, sir?
Yeah.
Mankind say, boy, I'm have to come. Yes, that's not
Yeah, but you know what's funny though? I'm telling you that the Holy Spirit is always working because we had that discussion about the gas. And by the time we reach home, we have a donor is always calling and checking up on you.
Yes.
And she was saying she worrying about you. So I thought it was the video that she saw where she, you know. So she said, oh, I never saw it. You uploaded. So I said, yes, we did. But she said, I never saw it. And in talking, she's like, okay. I explained to her about the situation with the gas. So she said, all right, I'll take care of it.
Yes, ma'am.
You know, so I told her I'll just take it from the shop until she gets to send it. So you see?
Yeah.
The Lord provides. Yeah. So every one of your clothes gone. We see some of them, some of your jeans hang out. Why you throw them out there?
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Yes. My ID in the house, you know, so.
Find the bag with it?
The ID? After me can't give it.
You don't know where it gone.
In the house, but it's in the pan. They pan it. But remember, say all the bags you put the grocery in. He did it too. And the table did it.
Yeah.
But I hit me the whole banana hit. So the grocery bag, the pan top hit. So if the thing in the house, they said we.
All right. So when we finish, tell me which part the ID. Then we could see if we see.
Yeah, one idea when I tell you now come back. Let's
look on your pass.
Yeah. Just tell us. We have in a plastic or something.
ID in our bag. You know, but me no business when I go for any so. Me have to go come back one day.
Sorry, come back.
Yes, we not have to come back when me tell them no party. That time we down there and show no one. That's what you know.
Next time we are come, we carry some you know, biscuits and so you can eat and carry back your oats and stuff.
If you can make it before that, we can me no hand nothing.
Today what, Thursday?
Yes, ma'am.
Even if we not get to come with it, we try and send up something. Yeah, maybe we just call Miss Bev and have her just make mankind do. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Do. But me not nothing right now. Me not nothing yet. Man, uncle, me not nothing. But when you there, if you come, cook can know.
All right, when we reach down with the car, then we make one call and she just send up some.
But it can't come for tonight again.
Well, at least we come for tomorrow.
Yes, time for tomorrow. Tell man can say me run Mr. Green if he send up, you know, if I'm biscuit and water. And every man, I think we cook too. I'll flow up.
Do we cook it up there?
Yes, man. We cook it up there. Yes, man.
Oh, okay, so you just want some groceries?
No, we grocery what? Why him cook last night also. So what you know me now? I'm tell better about we can. Yes.
Say not one more word.
Yes,
Alright, Master Nevie, you look like it can go rain, so we'll go ahead and we're glad to know, say.
Yes, man, I'm glad to know my heart put up.
You get put up.
Yes, man, my heart full of joy.
As the days go by and the time go by, we decide on how we move forward. But you know, we're just giving God thanks that you're okay. And we're all here, you know?
Yes, man, yes. We don't need that to go buy no material.
Where, free house?
Yeah.
Nothing there so can use back?
Them never a Duckan's house that.
I do want to but I said do too.
Yeah, may I say your kitchen gonna go in.
What a thing, my God. Everywhere. What you know to be for you, Nadik?
It's still, that's the story, man.
Yeah.
Blow down with fall cold, we blow mash up with water tank them.
Three of them.
Solar panel them mash up.
What?
Solar lights.
But the solar light them everything mash. We just
recycle.
Yes. I don't tell my tell.
Look here, let me tell you something. You see, we come look for you.
Yeah.
We feel alright now. So I'm ready to go on my bed.
Yes.
You come like a burden for me.
Yeah, kind of wonder. Yeah.
At the same thing. This is where people go through. It's hard. Sometimes I don't sleep.
Can't sleep.
I think it takes a toll when, like, you go through the day and you're okay and you interact, but when you go home,
yeah, consider with the condition, you know.
Yes.
Yeah.
The condition bad, you know, sir. You know, every woman can fix back this, sir. I don't feel so.
But
I
that's
guess
why the people might try to fix.
everybody is helping themselves, you know, doing what little they can to rebuild. And by God's grace, you know, it will come back. It just takes time. Yeah.
It take time. Once you see the tree them start get green,
yes,
the place start build back.
Yes.
Once
the man that talk about Gilbert never half like this at time.
This is a young girl, you know.
Gilbert was an old man, you know. So, you know.
And the people may start, you know, said this is some of us and Gilbert, you know, but we wouldn't believe.
Category 5.
We wouldn't believe. Gilbert never thank for weather for me. They told them things never blow down so. It was never blow down so.
And this time, in a blood town, you know?
They not here. All the place me are here. We didn't call the place there.
Black River mashed down completely, you know.
Come to your radio.
Me have it up here, man.
Oh, okay.
You can't up me see.
You to work on everything?
Yes, man.
Oh, so yeah, listen.
But remember, say, you can't work, so no for me now.
Oh, yeah. But okay, it's a solar.
This brother has solar to the car. A solar in play.
Because the sun not stay up long enough for you to get the energy. Everything's so alright though, Master Nevie.
Yes, man.
It's
alright. You are going to rebuild.
No most.
You are comfortable.
No, God, man. God.
Yeah, man.
God. I mean, no, say, boy, I'm in a good hand. Me not wonder. Me know, man.
Yeah.
Me know, so me not worry. Me not wonder. Me know, so me not God hand me now.
Yeah.
No, God people, man. Nah, see me go down. But man, I come me here. You know, talk.
Yeah, not talk. I don't know what that is. Let's leave it on a positive note.
Yes, sir.
All right, Master Nevie, so we're head back down because it seems like it's going to rain.
Yes, man.
Yeah. But guys, here is Master Nevie.
Yes, man.
He's
God
well. God is good indeed.
Man. I'm glad for me remember me, man.
Yes.
God is good.
You have to say you're glad for me. Who can't forget you?
You know, some people, man. Go for a time, you know.
Yeah.
Let me tell.
But we are forever.
Some
friends, family,
some people go for a time, but it's forever. Tell me the day they will say do you.
Yeah, man.
Yes, the most, man.
Alright,
I got people.
If you go before.
Yes, I got people.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got people, man.
Alright, guys, so Master Nevie here and him giving thanks, and we are happy too and relieved because you know we're wondering what took place and so on.
I'm in Africa again.
Yeah.
I mean, when I tell me when this time I blow me start yet, you know. nervous when me say then at me not so fret. But you know
You never sure what to do.
sure what to do.
If you feel fret or you not feel fret.
You know what I say.
Yeah.
When you're not sure your emotion when anything happening, like,
Yeah.
you after, you know.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
All right.
So, yeah.
All right, Master Nevie.
Yes,
So we'll see if we can organize the groceries
Yes,
for
ma'am.
this evening. They come up tomorrow if we don't get to come.
Yes, ma'am.
And just take care of yourself till we see you again.
Yes, man, you just still you brother apartment. You know, Papa?
Yeah, man. We'll tell him.
Yes, yes, man. Yeah. But me can't, I'm going to the man, me go so go when time, he say me can't do out and put things put on.
Oh, okay, okay. All right.
I feel for your purse.
No, sir, me show you me have food. Me have food here me show you. See there? I just no me have.
One and a pan.
I when me go be that way I go. I know me tell you. I be me go be that go.
Give 1 point.
Yeah, me go be that way I go. And wash out here, hang out here, sit there dry. I look what me have.
Yes, you see your life go?
Yes, man. The most
Yeah.
man. The most man.
You want a belt that look like an achievement. That's
I mean,
sweet for you, sir.
you know, say today for me, I said, now this pants big so.
Yeah. Uh-oh, we have to go sort out some clothes, them. Master
Yes,
Nevie.
man. This pants were big. I say, I hit me up here put on.
Yeah, just
And you saw how much things did you have? You saw life goes that?
That's it, go.
Oh,
that's where you go.
nah, she
All
have to
right,
brother.
guys.
Yes, man.
So go and fix that mask, Nevie.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, until we get to sort out something.
Yes, man.
All right, guys.
Yeah, everything good.
Yeah.
Beard.
All right, guys. Thank you so much. This is where we end the video for today.
Yes, man.
Until next time, thank you for making it a little everything Jamaican.
God.
Blessed love, stay safe and bye-bye.
Oh, God. Bless you, no. Yes, man.
All right, Papa.
Yes, sir. All right.
Yourself.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, good.
Yeah.
Big pants.
Yes, sir. Pants, I say, how many waps in the pants? How many waps?
Oh boy.
And if I lose, you lose weight. Chase down.
Me?
That's big, sir.
I put it here, Push.
This will get some liquor on your Master Nevie.
Get at the waist.
Yeah. All right.
Later.
Yeah.